Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can no-index your pages on WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, no-indexing your pages is going to prevent them from showing up as results in the search engine of your choice. Well, if you no-index them, they're not going to show up in any search engine, Bing, Google, DuckDuckGo, whatever you're using. They just won't show up because they're not going to be indexed. Now, the way that you do this is quite simple. You can go into your settings and you can go into reading. And if you're on an old layout, you'll see site visibility where you can turn off your site visibility. But as you can see, I have a link to the privacy settings, which are under hosting, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, you can go into hosting and then go into site settings, and here you'll find your privacy settings as well. Now here you can unindex your site by just clicking private, and as you can see, your site is only visible to you and logged in members. You approve, and everyone else will see a login screen. So all you need to do is just click private, and that should be it. However, you can also set it to public, and you can also set it to discourage search engines from indexing this site, which is more of a direct method. So just click on that. You can enable that, and it's automatically going to prevent third-party sharing. So once you enable all of that, you just need to click save settings, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Again, you can also set it to private, click save settings, and people will only be able to view your site if they log in. And that's pretty much it. Previously, you have needed to have a plugin which is gonna password protect your site and lock it down. However, now you can just use these options over here, and that should be enough. Now this is gonna no index your entire site. If you don't want that to happen, you can easily just install a plugin such as Yoast SEO, and then just manually disable the indexing on each page by just going to that page and editing the Yoast SEO options, and then you can just prevent them from getting indexed. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.